Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. Today is going to be all about building and testing your prototype. So for your star slides for today, which is again, most of what you're going to be doing today, once you get into the daily assignment, which is where you're watching this, you'll see that it's basically just this today. Previously, on Thursday, yesterday, you guys picked the project you were working on. You answered these questions. Again, if you look at your one-pager, problem, requirements, materials, it's all right there. And then for investigate possible solution, this is where you put your research. So if you found a design that you really liked from something else, you can put that link in there. You can put a picture of something you're basing it off of. You can find common themes. Why did you pick to do what you're doing? That's what you're putting right here, answers to questions that you're asking about this project. Then on your second Thursday slide, which was a surprise, we have drawing your prototype. So again, you have to sketch out your prototype, add your details, add measurements if you know them. This prototype should look nice. You should be able to hand this to a sibling or a friend, and they should be able to build your prototype based off of your drawing. Please make this nice. Get some details, get some measurements. If you are like me and you don't have great artistic abilities, then just add lots of written details to it. For today, you're going to be taking your design and you're going to be building it. So for this section, just include a picture of the building that you designed or whatever you designed. So take a picture with your webcam and put that there. And then for testing, let's talk about what you are actually testing for each one. For the paper tower, you are going to be testing to see if you can make a freestanding, again, not attached to anything, whether it's the floor or the ceiling. Be weird if it was the ceiling. The floor or the walls or anything like that. It must support a paperclip at the top. So your test is building the tower and putting a paperclip on top. If one paperclip is supported, how much can you put up there? How much can this tower support? That's what you're testing. You're testing how much can this tower support. For the paper bridge, you are seeing if the bridge can hold your math textbook or just a dictionary or a large book if you don't have a textbook. How much can this bridge support? If the bridge supports your textbook, try to see, can it support 2 textbooks? Can it support your Chromebook? Could it support you? Could you walk across this bridge? Very similarly, paper table, trying to figure out how much it can support. So try it with a textbook, try it with 2 textbooks, try it with your cat, try it with you. How much can it support? And then for the paper protector or your egg drop, you are seeing if you can make something that will protect the egg from breaking or cracking from countertop height. Meaning you're going to set it on the edge of your counter and see if it cracks. Now, something that came up in class today, you cannot use a hard-boiled egg. You have to use a raw, crackable egg. It was a good try for some of my students. Good try. Once you have done your test and seen how much it can support or how well it protects your egg, for testing, you're going to write down some qualitative data. So 2 observations with words. So you need 2 pieces of qualitative data, and that's with describing words. And then quantitative data, you need 1 observation with numbers. Now, depending on what you test, these could be very different things for different people, for different projects. So try to figure out just 2 observations with words, 1 observation with numbers. If you're wondering, is this a quantitative data point? Does it have a number in it? Then yes, it is a quantitative data point. And that is what we are expecting you to get done on Friday. Now, if you are motivated or just have time, Monday's assignment is to analyze what you did. So what worked well, what didn't work, what changes need to be made, although that has to be written in complete sentences. Also, for your qualitative and quantitative data, this is not a list. You have to write that in complete sentences. So make sure it's in complete sentences, otherwise you will lose points. So answer these 3 questions with complete sentences, or again, you will lose points. Then, based off of your data, do a redesign. Do another sketch of your new tower, table, bridge protector, and include a picture of that design right there. Your Tuesday is going to be conclusions. You're going to use that rerun method that we used for the paper airplanes. Restate, explain results, uncertainties, and next steps. We're going to include that in the assignment on Tuesday, but you can look back at your assignment for your paper airplanes to figure out what you're supposed to be doing. To summarize, make sure you got both Thursday slides done. Build and test today. Fill out the Friday slide. And then if you have time, you may move on. Otherwise, that is what we're doing on Monday and Tuesday. Thanks so much. As always, if you have questions, let me know. Bye.